I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less.
Hey guys, this is me Adrian and welcome back to my channel! So, for this week, oh I forgot girl, it's Monday today and dapat mag-edit ako ng vlog but I forgot to edit the vlog, so hopefully magawa ko siya tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I forgot. But ayun na nga, for today's video, nanggaling sa Thailand yung tita ko. I mean, umuwi galing from Thailand yung tita ko. So, nito siya ngayon. And we'll be going out today, tonight na pala. Kasi tapos na rin ako mag-work and all, so it's good to go out. And ayun, it's just really fun kasi maraming uwing yung Holy Week sa Batangas. Batangas? I mean sa Mindoro kasi usually ganoon talaga pag Holy Week, di ba, nag-uwian ng mga people from the other side of the world. Wow! Pero ayun guys, it's just so fun. Nagawa ng ano nga sa pampatong. This is the look for today. This will be going out naman for dinner lang and I don't really want to like glam up. Pero actually, this is like my day-to-day look. Pag yung hindi ano, pag yung hindi naman super bongi pupuntahan, this is my my usual look lang. Ayan. Pasensya na guys, nag-breakout ako ngayon and I had the facial, diba? So ayan, umano ulit yung skin ko, so I really need to take care of the skin. I really need to take care of the skin ulit kasi ayun, hindi ko na gagawin yung ginawa ko before na hindi nag-facial wash sa umaga at gagamitin yung product na nagpa-breakout sa akin ulit. Hi. But yes, let's take care of the skin. Dali ko na lang kayo sa ating iPhone guys because ayun naman dala ng camera. Ang bigat ng camera at maliit lang yung bagyalya ko. So yes, let's go. Hey guys, we're here ngayon sa Liwanag Cafe. Tagatang ko na nakain ito and masarap ito yung mga foods, like for real, masarap siya. And hindi super mura ng foods and hindi rin super mahal. Pero girl, I can attest to you na sobrang sarap ng mga foodangs today, like for real. It's very nice. They also have like coffee, cafe nga, and they have food, like mga lutong bahay. They have appetizers and everything. Yeah, super duper love! Ito yung prices nila. Let's check to the next page. Ayan, next page. Tingnan nyo na lang kung gusto nyo kainin. May mga set foods din sila, mga set meals. They also have like this one. That's all. And ayun yung first order namin. It's onion rings. Ang lalaki ng onion rings sila. Ang sarap yun, like for real. Hey guys, so ayun, ang dami nangyayari lately and nakakapagod. Like, I am tired for real, like for work, for everything, like girl. Pero rin na lang next week I'll be leaving, hindi man leaving, I'll be having a 2-day leave, Thursday and Friday kasi Holy Week. And since walang holiday yung company namin, nag-leave na lang ako cause girl, I really need time to breathe, I need time to rest. Like, hindi lang kasi ito sa work, like for my career as well, sa content creation. Sobrang busy kasi lately. Ang dami namin ginagawa sa work. ang dami kong deadlines for content creation. So, nagtita ka from Thailand. So, parang alam mo yun, nagsabay-sabay and everything, na-overwhelm ang gay na ito. Pero I super duper love pag like kompleto kami kasi nagsasabay-sabay lang ang everything since, you know, Holy Week and all. But, ayun, I'll be having an event sa sa Saturday. And it's a meet and greet ni Fiang arranged by Dear Face. So, I'm really excited for this one. And balo kayong isama rin, guys. So, ayun, since ang deliverables namin will be posted before the event as a pre-hype, madala ko yung camera ko to vlog there, as in, I'll be vlogging inside the event. Hindi ako gagawa ng content doon, like yung content for TikTok, for Instagram Reels. Pero I'm planning to like have a shoot inside. But ang mahirap kasi, I don't know anyone na nandoon. So, I don't know how will I do it. Pero I definitely want to like shoot, of course, the fit that I have with the PR that I'll be receiving. So, ayun, nakakaloka lang kasi, girl, ma-meet ka rin si Fiang. I super duper love Fiang. So, I'm excited to see her this Saturday. And sa Saturday, I'll be meeting with my friends there. Yung mga friends ko, yung friend group, hindi naman. Yung friend group ko sinala is buo talaga before pa. Nadagdag lang ako. So, I'll be meeting with them this Saturday kasi umaga pa lang punta na ako na Mandaluyong. So, ako sa tatay ko. And then, after ko mag-ayos, mag-makeup and all, punta ako sa bahay ng friend ko kasi mag-overnight sila. I can't do an overnight kasi mag-church kami na Sunday. Hindi na kami nakapag-church this last Sunday. So, this coming Sunday, ayoko rin siyang kasi girl, dito ako napag-revival today. Today is parang church day din dapat for me. Pero since dito ako dito ko, of course, minsan lang sila umuwi. Hindi naman sila like every day nandito. So, you know, slay! But yeah, ayan, I'm just super excited sa event on Saturday. And I'm really looking forward to it. And naisip na ako ng fit kasi bumili ako ng mga bagong damit from TikTok shop. And super duper love, especially the jorts, girl. You wanna And I'm praying for more brand collaborations, paid collaborations, and the paid event attendances. So yes, let's just pray for it. Let's claim it. Let's manifest it together to have a bright and successful future. So yes, I will be an icon soon. I will be an icon like Brad McGrath, like Mimi. Ganon. Let us pray for it. Let us claim it. Let us manifest it. I will be a fashion icon, a beauty icon, ganon. A very multi-talented icon. Yes, let's go. So yun guys, time na ako. Maglinis na ako 6. So anong oras na? It's like currently 11:45 PM and mag-edit ako na isang affiliate video ko. I'm just really enjoying everything. The brand collaborations, the event invites, and ayun, I'm really thankful kay Lord talaga kasi sobrang pinag-pray ko to for years before. Pinag-iyakan ko pa to before talaga, iniyak ko na Lord. Para sa akin ba talaga to? I'm always asking that question before and now I know it is for me kasi grabe na kahit napagod na ako, mag-edit pa rin ako talaga kasi this is my passion. So that's it for today. I'll be doing my skincare na and I'll be editing a video and play ML and then sleep because I still have work tomorrow. Kahit holiday since walang holiday yung kampay namin. So yes! Good night. Hey guys! Today is another day for me, but my lashes are still on fleek. Thanks to Blick Salon for creating my lashes. Hindi po ito sponsored, pero super duper love ko kasi yung paggawa nila sa lashes ko and yung mga procedures na pinapagawa ko is super duper. It's amazing! Wala namang ganap today. I'm just working. Pero may ganap tayo on Saturday. Chika ko na ata yun. Mas tahimik yung house right now kasi yung grandparents ko, yung tita ko, hinatid namin sila sa Mindoro yesterday. And ayun, hindi na sila. Pero like, alam mo yun, parang nakakasad somehow. Kasi, sanay ako na maraming tao dito sa house for like ilang days. Pero, as someone na nasanay na rin, na pabalik may, yung people come and go in our house, syempre, bahay namin to daw. Sanay na rin ako na may maalis, pumunta dito. Pero alam mo yun, mamimiss mo yung feeling na ang daming tao. I mean, I agree, like, ako overwhelmed siya at times, lalo na pag sobrang daming ginagawa ko or gonna since work from home ako. Pero like, you're gonna miss the noise, yun, miss mo yung mga tao kasama mo, like, especially when you're close to them. Pero uwi naman kami ng Mindoro na next week, so I'm just looking forward to that. It's just nakakasad kasi 3 days lang kaming mag-stay doon. Kasi yung both parents ko, may pasok sila ng Sunday. So, adulthood hits different talaga, like, for real. Kahit ako na nakatira ko sa parents' house ko, doon nagko-contribute naman ako dito kasi I don't want to be dependent pa sa kanila kasi may work na ako, girl. So, nagko-contribute na ako dito po onti-onti kasi mababa naman sa health right now. But I'm very thankful for my job kasi at least sumasabot ako, nakahelp ako sa parents ko. And nabibili ko yung square ones ko na hindi humingi sa parents ko na kung ano, diba? So, that's like an achievement for me and okay lang din naman sa kanila kasi alam nilang wala pa akong 1 year pero nag-work. And naka-proud lang talaga sa self is yung after a month or after 2 months siguro, ganon, nagkaroon na agad ako ng work after a month or 2 months of graduation. Tapos nag-boom din yung career ko doon sa content creation. So, I'm really happy kasi sobrang pinag-pray ko yun. Talagang, binigay talaga sa akin ni Lord yung pinag-pray ko. And binigay ni Lord yung time ko ng college ko na ma-enjoy ko yung college ko. Pasensya na guys kung naminagay ko yung aso. Wala kasing microphone input tong camera ko. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-mic kahit meron akong mic. Sobrang binigay sa akin Lord. Thank you ka lang. So, thankful ako kasi binigay sa akin ni Lord yung time ko nung college ako para ma-enjoy ko siya. Mamigay ko yung best ko sa college life ko. Ganon na, alam mo yun, like, sobrang enjoy ko siya. Volleyball team ng institute namin, volleyball team ng org namin, tapos dance group pa ako. So, ang dami kong nagagawa ng college ako kasi hindi ako masyadong focus sa career ko nun. Kasi nga, wala pa, hindi pa nag-blossom yung career ko. Pero na, ayan, di ba, tingnan mo. Isipin mo ngayon, sobrang busy ako sa career ko. Then, kung mangyari siya during my college days, parang feel ko, wala akong time to like spend time with my friends, to have my own hour, ganun. Kasi sobrang passionate ko sa career ko eh. Like, sobrang bigay talaga akong time sa paggawa ng script, minsan nagawa ko ng storyboard, ganun. Pag maraming time, magpa-plan ako ng shots, mag-shoot ako, mag-batching ako ng contents, mag-edit ako. So parang, mawalan talaga ako ng time for my college life if tagal na ako naging successful as a content creator. Kaya ngayon, sobrang happy ako kasi at least, ngayon ko na-realize na dati hindi ako ng bakit wala pa rin, bakit like, yung feeling ko na hindi pa rin ko na-achieve yung gusto ko na-achieve sa life. May reason pala siya. Kaya sinasabi ko talaga is patience is a virtue. Tsaka, God is always working even if you don't see it. Talagang, ang masabi ko lang is just trust God when it comes to your future, to your goals, and let God's will be done. Ayun. Magluluto na po tayo kasi kailangan ko nang kumain. Ulam natin for today. Ang ulam natin for today is egg, barbecue, and hot dog. But yung barbecue hindi siya naka-grill because wala kaming griller dito eh. Pero yeah, finry ko lang silang lahat. And I'm also watching Kuya David's vlog kasi that's what I do every lunch. Like, syempre I pray first before I eat. Pag nakain na ako, yan. Nanonood ako ng mga vlogs or like, you know, videos. Basta nanonood ako ng YouTube in general, ganun. Kung hindi vlogs yung pinapanood ko, kunyari, syempre kunyari kung nagkataon na walang mga uploads yung mga pinapanood ng vlogger. Nanonood ako ng mga about sa Apple since I'm an Apple girly pop. So, nanonood ako ng mga videos about their gadgets, ganun. O kaya yung mga latest update ng iOS. So, ano yun? Just to keep it like very ayoko kasi hindi ako sanay nung nakagingin lang ako. Mag-isa lang ako. Okay lang sana if like, I have someone to talk to, hindi ako may gadgets na. Pero like, if mag-isa lang ako, nanonood na lang ako ng YouTube para naman doon. Hindi naman ako masyadong malungkot sa laay. Joke lang. Kapag yes, let's eat na kasi I am hungry. I'm back. I just brushed my teeth and washed my face. Ng onte. Pagod na ako, girl. So, saan siya na may electric fan kasi mainit, girl. It's summertime. So, what I do after I brush my teeth, dito na ako sa workspace ko. Ito naman yung makeup section and body care section, skincare and body care and self-care section. So, I reapply sunscreen. And, para mas malinis, at hindi na ako mag-alcohol ng kamay kasi nakaka-dry, puro pag-alcohol ng kamay. What I do is, niladiretso ko skin yung sunscreen and then I use a beauty sponge para may kalat siya sa buong face ko. Kahit nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, kailangan maganda pa rin tayo. Hindi, joke lang. Pero real naman yun. Since Papalash lift na ako ngayon. Ginagawa ko kasi, sabi ng technician sa akin, you need to brush your lashes when it's wet. Pero ayoko lang sprayin yung mata ko tayo. So ginagawa ko na lang, in-spray ko ng 5 times tong spoolie. Ito yung na-brush ko sa lashes ko. And by the way, okay lang ito video ako kasi may salamin ako dito. I'm using na small mirror kasi wala lang, so dila siya kunin. Since binabrush up ko na rin yung lashes ko, pati yung lower lashes ko, binabrush ko na rin sila ko wala. Pati sinasama ka na rin yung brows ko. Wala lang. Ano talaga ako guys, every after lunch. So meron pala akong parang lash routine din that I do like twice a week. So this thing, I do this every day for like 3 times. 3 times a day ko ginagawa ito. Sanay na ako, naging lifestyle ko na rin yung ganda yung nag-aayos palagi, every after lunch. Kasi, maganda tayo. So, kailangan maganda palagi. So, that's it for our retouch session. Diyan ko powder niya sa Bailaos, girl. Hindi naman kailangan mag-powder. And yeah, that's it. I'm fresh now and now I'm going back to work. Good evening, guys. So, ayun. It's night today. Tomorrow will be the event day that we will meet Fiang for the first time in person. So, I'm really excited kasi I super duper love her. And, girl, I love it. This is the second event na in-invite ako ni Dearface. So, thank you so much, Dearface, for inviting me. And, ayun, sobrang kinikilig ako kasi like, oh my gosh! And also, guys, I have like a lash lift care routine. So, if you're interested, just comment down below so I can share it to you as well.
Nasira na din yung ako. Hi!
We're on the way home, guys, because why not? Pagod na po kaming lahat. Ang mga taong ito ay pagod na. This is my first time actually dito sa podium, so ayun, naninibago ang gay kasi hindi ako sanay dito and hindi ko talaga to alam. So first, sobrang pretty ni Fiang, like full deal. Like so much. Sobrang fresh niya. At sobrang nakakatuwa kasi nabihan niya ako na sobrang Latina ko daw. Sobrang sarap ko daw. Oy, for real, hindi to fantasy ah. Ganda ko daw. I mean, pag nanggaling kayo sa ganun parang, girl, that is so, it is so nakakatuwa. So, nakaka-boost ng confidence. Ay, ganda! This is the next day, guys. And sobrang nag-enjoy ako yesterday sa event ng Dearface X Young. And thank you so much to Miss Jonah, to Miss Ashley for inviting me to this event. I'm very honored. It's very surreal kasi this is the first time that I met Fiang in person and sobrang Barbie doll niya. Tapos si JM so pogi and like so much. And ayun, nakakatuwa lang na like, girl, from VIP nalipat kami sa VVIP. Like, thank you so much. Kaya we had the chance to have a selfie with Fiang. So ayun, sobrang kinilig din ako kasi girl, sobrang ganda ka na. Yes! That's the life goal. But yes, sobrang saya ng event. As in, like, there was no dull moment kasi ang gagaling din ng host. At yet, honestly, si Kuya Kevin and Ate Ai ata yun, if tama yung pagkakaalala ko. Pero, yeah, it was fun. The event was fun. And ayun, church kami today. And actually, yesterday, I was not feeling well. So, minum na agad ako ng emergency pag-uwi ko kasi, like, alam mo yung nafe-feel ko na, feel ko pagod na rin to and all. And nakapansin naman sa boses ko, it's kind of husky kasi girl, may ubo ako. And nakalaw ka kasi, yes, ubo ka hapon sa event.
But syempre, nakatype na yung wig ko. Pero yes, nakatanggap ko pala PR yesterday is yung isang pack ng lemon. Ay, lemon. Wala lemon dun. Isang pack ng Beauty Milk Melon and isang pack ng Beauty Milk Ichigo. And dalawang banners si Fiang. And of course, syempre yung ticket for the VVIP pass. So, sobrang saya as in so much. Hanggang ngayon parang hindi ko pa rin maisip. Like, it feels very surreal. And wala lang. Sobrang saya ko lang. Like, legit. Tapos, I made new friends then. I've made new influencer friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you reach this part of the video, comment melon kasi ito yung mga one of my flavors ng Beauty Milk. So, yes. Let's go. Bye.